Exercise 6.1. Fill in the blanks using the correct word given in the bracket. All circles are congruent or similar. See here. This is a circle. This is another circle. This is another circle. Okay. And this is another circle. They are not congruent. Just by looking at them, we can say they are not congruent. What is congruent? Congruent are congruent meaning of congruent is they are of same size. Everything is same. Okay. For example, these triangles are congruent. Let me show you. Same size. And if I draw one more, same size. So these two are congruent. Okay. These three are congruent. Congruent. Okay. When they are of same size, then we call them as congruent. This are of same size, same radius, everything same. So they are congruent. But this are not congruent, but shapes are same. Okay. The shapes are same. When two geometrical figures have same shape, but sides are proportional, then we call them as congruent. Okay. So all circles are not congruent. Okay. Similar. So answer here is similar. The answer is similar. This is the answer. All squares are. All squares are. So let me draw squares now. Similar or congruent. Okay. This is square. If I draw square of same size, then they would be called as congruent. Okay, congruent. Now see, these four are of same size, so they are congruent. But this square, and this square, they all have same side, same side, same side, same side, square. This is also square. This is also square. But this, and this are similar. Sides are proportional, angles are same, but they are not congruent. These four can be said as congruent because they are same size. They are of same size. So when two geometrical figures are of same size, we will call them as congruent. But all, they're telling all squares are, we would say they are similar. Same shape, but sizes might differ. So again here the answer is similar. Okay, then all triangles are similar. All dash triangles are similar. So they are given triangles isosceles or equilateral. So let me draw what is isosceles. Isosceles meaning, the meaning of isosceles is two sides are same. So then even this is isosceles. Even this is isosceles. Because this side and this side is same. This side and this side is same. Isosceles, isosceles, isosceles. So are they similar? Are these similar? No, they are not similar. But what do you mean by equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle is having equilateral triangle is having same angles and same side. Same side, same side, same side. Okay, now I will draw a bigger equilateral triangle. Okay, bigger equilateral triangle. Same side, same side, same side. Though this and this differs in size, but shapes are similar. See the shape here, see the shape here, they are similar. Though these are isosceles, same side, same side, same side, same side, same side here, same side there. These are all isosceles triangle, but these are not same, they are not of same shape. But equilateral triangle are of same shape, but sizes may differ. when sizes might differ, but the angles remain same. Here it is 60, 60, 60. This also 60, 60, 60. Then it is called as similar. So these two are similar. So answer is equilateral. Answer is equilateral. Equilateral triangle are similar. So next, two polygons are of same number of sides. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if. So polygon is nothing but this here. Polygon is geometrical size shape bounded by more than two or three lines. Polygon. Okay, I will draw one more polygon. Okay, this is also of this is also of five lines, five sides. This is also of five sides. One, two, three, four, five. Five sides, five sides. But are they similar? No, they are not similar. When they are similar, I will tell you now. When they are similar when their corresponding angles are same. The angles should be same. The angle should be same. Okay, though this is small, this is big. But if the angles, this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, then this angle, and this angle, the corresponding angles are equal. Angles are equal, but angles are equal, but size is different. Okay, then even then they are similar. So these two are similar, and sides are proportional, and their corresponding sides are proportional. Meaning, understand this. Okay, it's very important. It is 2, it is 4. Okay, it is 10, it is 20. Okay, or okay, 20. Let it be 20. So when we divide this and this, when we divide this and this, what do we get? We get 2 divided by 4. We get 1 za, 2 za. Okay, 1 by 2. We get 1 by 2. Now divide this and this, 10 by 20. 1 za, 2 za. We got 1 by 2. Meaning this side and this side 1 by 2. This side divided by this side 1 by 2. When this is called proportional. Okay, when we are getting the same ratio. Okay. Now, when the sides are proportional and angles are same, then we call them as similar. So here the answer is when the corresponding angles are equal, and the corresponding sides are proportional. The corresponding sides are proportional. Then they are similar. Hope you understood this. So let us go to exercise 6.0. One, next questions. Okay, thank you.